हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आज हम आ चुके हैं 5th स्टैंडर्ड की हिस्ट्री के साथ और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है सेल्टर्स टू विलेज सेटलमेंट्स और आज हम आ चुके हैं उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो के साथ। चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस और हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन आता है हु लिव्ड इन केव्स। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, द क्लाइमेट ऑफ यूरोप इज एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. Second, Mammoth was an ancient ancestor of elephants. Third, Homo sapiens harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. Third question, true or false? In the mid-Stone Age period, the group of Homo sapiens has established camp all over the world. True. Second, Homo sapiens began to depend more on hunting animals like wild sheep and elephant. False. The beginning of cultivation is the characteristics of the culture of Old Stone Age. False. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Which animal did the Homo sapiens mainly hunt? The Homo sapiens mainly hunt small animals like wild boar, deer, mountain goat and sheep. Why did the Netherlandians use animals as hidden as a tent? Netherlandians use animals' hide to erect tents inside the cave for warmth. Third, what are the characteristics of the New Stone Age? The beginning of cultivation is the characteristics of the culture of New Stone Age. Fourth, what was the major occupations of the New Stone Age? Answer, agriculture, hunting, fishing were the major occupations of the New Stone Age. Fifth, give reasons for the following. A, the diet of Homo sapiens underwent a change. The climate was getting warmer and the environment was changing everywhere. Big animals like mammoth were way on to extending due to the changed environment and also because they were hunting on a very large scale. Therefore, the death of Homo sapiens underwent a change and had a larger turning to fishing. Homo sapiens need to stay in one place or over a long period of time. In hunting and gathering of livestock, it was necessary to keep them moving with time. However, agriculture made it possible to store food and use it for a longer period. Hence, there was no need to keep moving constantly. The nature of agriculture work was also made it necessary to stay at one place. Therefore, people started to stay at one place for long period of time. Question number 6. Observe the reconstruction of picture in the mid-Stone Age given in the textbook page number 31 seasonal camps and answer the following questions. First, describe the structure of the house in the picture. Answer, the roof is inclining and covered with grass. Second, what material is used to construct the house? Grass and wood has been used to construct the house. What kind of job could people in the seasonal camps have been doing? Answer, the people in the seasonal camps were engaged fishing, hunting, making tools and making small boats. आज के लिए बस नहीं। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।